Hi there. In this tutorial or video we're going to take a look at the Shear tool. So for this I've created this kind of profile here. I'm going to tab into edit mode, show you how it looks. So it has this these lines here or edges, and same on this side, and just faces in between. So it's kind of a profile. So I'm going to select this portion over here, press 7 on the numpad so we can see what we are doing. And the Shear tool is available down here, but this widget here is quite confusing, at least to me. So I'm going to show you how I tend to use this tool, because I've actually only found one use for this tool, but it's such an incredible use. So I use this tool all the time because it's just so awesome. Instead of having the tool selected there, I'm just gonna go with this selection here. The shortcut key is quite convoluted. It's Alt, Control, Shift, and S. That's a shortcut key, if you can call it a shortcut. It's the key anyway. Alt, Control, Shift, and S. Now nothing happens as I move the mouse here. That's because I have to choose the right axis to shear on. So right now I'm on the X-axis, and I want to shear on the Y-axis in this case. So I'm going to press Y on my keyboard. You can see that it immediately jumps. I can move my mouse up and down to change the shearing here. And from here I can press 1 on the numpad to have this shear exactly 45 degrees. So now I have an exact 45 degree angle to if I shear to 1. And then I can extrude again, this time with E and in the X direction. And I have a completely 90 degree angle right here. So these are 45 plus 45, so it becomes a 90 degree angle. And this way I can create perfect like frames, like a frame for a painting or for skirting in a room or something like that. So for architectural design, this is more or less an essential tool to make these angles correctly. So I can continue from here and just extrude in the Y direction, and I can scale by pressing S and 0. Oops, sorry, S and Y and 0 to scale that to a straight edge again. And from here I can shear again. So Alt, Control, Shift, and S, and then press Y. And if I press 1, I can then press minus on my keyboard, number pad keyboard. So with the minus I can then just toggle between left or right shearing here. So I can go this way, extrude in the X direction by pressing X, and then go back to somewhere around here. Scale on the X to 0 and enter. And in this way I can continue creating these perfect kind of frame profiles. So this is what I use the tool for. Control, Alt, Shift, and S is the shortcut, and you should have like the edge of your profile selected. And then press Y or X kind of decide which axis you are gonna shear on. So in this case, if I press the shortcut, we can just start shearing at once. And then press 1 and then toggle with negative, and then enter when you know which direction you want to go. And then extrude again, and then choose your axis. In this case Y. Click to confirm, scale Y and 0 to create another straight angle there. Alright, so that is the Shear tool. I hope you found it useful, and if you're interested in more modeling tools, there is a link in the description to an article about 30 or so edit mode tools that you can check out if you want. Other than that, like and subscribe, comment if you have any comment, and you know the drill. So thanks for watching. Bye.